Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to be planning out the week of Monday, July 25th through Sunday, July 31st in my Erin Condren Life Planner. Alright, so the kit that I'm going to be using is kit 437 from Plannercade. I was going through my kits and I love jumping into the more yellow themed type of things for August, but this one also seemed kind of perfect because there's a little bit of blue and yes, there's a little bit of peach in there as well. But this kit is absolutely adorable. Alright, so let me get this coffee cup out of the way before we have an unfortunate sticker incident. So let's start with the date covers, and I'm going to actually try going a little bit higher with the date covers this week. I'm going to kind of go above the dates on here because what I have in mind is to be able to use some more of this thin washi. I always get that washi and then I don't use it. But I thought, why not maximize the space by going up a little bit higher on the page? Okay, so I want to apologize because I have been kind of off my game with posting videos. The last couple of weeks I've only posted one video here and there, and it's definitely not what I had intended. But between work and travel, one video was all I could get out per week, and it really did bother me. And then I had to quickly just move on from it because it's life, you know. I can't always pump out as much content as I would prefer. So hopefully I will have some time to catch up because I also film on Fridays and I wasn't home last Friday. So we were traveling and attending Planning by the Beach, which was so much fun. I don't think I had a chance to get to talk to you guys about it yet because I haven't posted much of anything. I know I've probably mentioned it in my compact vertical plan with me, but it was a really good time. But again, I haven't even put my swag away. I'm just still playing catch up. So I've got to really tackle a lot of things this weekend and this coming week to make all of that happen. All right, so let's decide what washi we want to use. I'm really torn because there's a thinner version of this one and I really want to use it. The thick washi that's going to go on the bottom is this situation, and I'm kind of tempted to use it on the bottom and on the top. Let's put the bottom down first and see how that looks. So as I'm talking about my busy life, I understand that it's a busy time for everybody. I've seen just a lot of chatter about it, and I get it. We're in just a busy time, friends. All right, now I will say that this is more of a travel kit, so I won't be using the packing list sticker or the luggage things, but that's fine. So I was kind of I love these sheets right here, which is kind of funny. It leads me to something else. I may create a page with a notes page in my planner with the luggage stuff and things like that, just because it's so cute. And anyway, I get super distracted, as you can see. But I was well, it doesn't really pertain to this week because we aren't traveling this week, and that's fine. But I would still love to find a way to use it, and that might be it, is creating a travel page in one of my notes pages in this planner. So all is not lost by not using those sticker sheets. So let's get this down. And what I think I will do here is underneath the weekend sticker, I would love to use this skinny washi. And I'm going to put it right in the middle, maybe. I wish this was a long weekend like it was last weekend. You have a couple of back-to-back long weekends and you just get very spoiled. That's what I'm going to say right there. I'm just ready for a long weekend again. I also just noticed that on the doodle sheet from Plannercade, there's these cute little glasses. I'm obsessed with getting the doodle sheets lately because they're just so freaking great. Okay, now let's do the sidebar. I definitely want to use the Life is Good sticker here. Oh, that's way too low. I can never figure out what line I'm supposed to put this sticker on. I get it wrong week in and week out, and that's too high. Where does this go? Okay, so just above the 9 o'clock, I think. There we go. Let's see if I remember that next week. All right, let's do this week. And I think I'm gonna use this skinny label right here along with the checklist. I want to be better about using my sidebar. I went through this last year. I went through like just a sidebar dilemma where I just never touched it. And I tried and tried and tried, and it just never quite worked out for me. But I'm determined to make it work this time, and we will see. Okay, there's one, and then I think there's room for two, but I also need to cover up the part of July, the little mini calendar down there that I left. And I think I'm going to use a half box there. And what I will do is just take off like the last two squares so that I have space for this box, or just so that it doesn't look all that weird. And that print is so dark, I'm gonna have to white that out because you can see it. I know you guys can't see it on the screen, but it's dark enough that you can see it through the sticker, and that's just unacceptable. Okay, so the frame of the week is good to go. Next up, I'm gonna kind of go like back to some of my older planning roots and using this fork and knife sticker for meals. And I'm gonna put it right between the 4:30 and like 5 o'clock because I want to put workouts underneath, since that's typically how the schedule goes. But I wanted to at least put the meals in for the week. I've really enjoyed doing that. I haven't always stuck to it as well as I should have, but really writing in the meals is helpful if I actually use it. Okay, and then last week I actually put in workouts like every single day, and that personally was not very realistic for me. So we're gonna do 4 days this week and see if that's a little bit more manageable. We did a really intense HIIT workout on Monday afternoon, or Monday evening, I should say. It was after dinner, and it literally took all week to recover. So we're gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Saturday. Even though it's going to be, Saturdays is going to be in the morning, I'm still going to put it down here because that's where I want it to be on the page. And I am going to grab from my sticker book, let's do the sneakers for this week. I feel like that's a little bit better for cardio. I think it was really like the jump squats that got me. Like in the moment, I'm like, I can do 100 jump squats. And then 2 days later, I'm like, I can't even move. So that was not helpful. Anyway, it's just, yeah, just getting into a routine, trying to stick with it. But like I said before, like I get hurt and I'm just like done for the week. And what I don't want to happen is I don't want to be done for the month or months. I want to like continue to go back to this habit. All right, so videos for the week. Let's actually go with these bigger event labels here, and I'm actually going to pair them with some play buttons. These are from Planner Kate. I've just taken them off and put them in a reusable sticker book, and I love them. But now I know that there's only 3 of these stickers, and that's going to make me nervous because if I mess them up, I will not have anything else. I mean, I could use something else. I just wanted them to all be this sticker. So obviously the first one is this Plan With Me. Wednesday will be a review video of a new Erin Condren product. And then Friday will be another Plan With Me, possibly my August Plan With Me. Nonetheless, there will be a Plan With Me. So that is awesome. All right, let's get these down. Now, as far as meetings go for the week, I don't have too many of those, thank goodness. Monday, I've got a 10 a.m. meeting and then a 2 p.m. meeting. And actually, these are on Tuesday, not on Monday. And then on Wednesday, I actually have training at 10 a.m. And of course, before I forget, the pen that I'm using this week is the Zebra Sarasa Mark On, and it's MARKON. This is in the 0.5. I've actually ordered mine from Jet Pens. I ordered, I believe, just one with like a previous Jet Pens order, and I liked it so much I went back and ordered like 4 more because I lose pens like crazy. But so far I'm really liking it because it's a 0.5 that writes like a 0.7, and it's not too goopy. It works with all my highlighters. I've even gotten one that I'm keeping at work, which is huge for me because normally I don't bring my favorite pens to work, but I am really, really liking it. And I love that it's a click pen. I really don't like pens that have caps because I lose those, but this one's a good one. I would definitely check it out if you're interested in something like this. Okay, and then the last meeting that I have is Friday at 1 o'clock, and that is a safety meeting. I'm just gonna put meeting down because that will work. I keep trying to get them to change this meeting because I think, again, meetings after 12 on Friday are evil. So that's where I am with that. All right, meetings are in for the week. Now let's get to some other tasks. And before I do that, I am going to use some of these full boxes simply because the tasks aren't very like time specific, and I really just want to be able to use some of these stickers throughout the week, and typically right in the middle of the day is perfect because that's when I'm normally at work anyway. So this works. All right, and then there's Thursdays, and we'll use this one on, actually that's Wednesday. Here's the one for Thursday, and then let's see, these two are more travel, and obviously I'm not going to use the packing list. So I think I'm going to use just this light blue one on Saturday, and then Sunday is kind of a busy day, so I don't really want to put a whole lot on there. All right, Thursday afternoon is going to be our laundry day, so I'm going to use this sticker along with the laundry. I really need more than one laundry text sticker. That would be perfect, but that's gonna have to work. Thursday is also payday, and I think this doodle sheet has more of a like better payday situation here. And I'm also gonna use the calculator, just kind of layer everything together. That actually, I really like the way that looks. That's pretty cute. I realize I'm out of frame. Oh my God, there's the payday situation. All right, I love that there is a little fridge sticker here because on Fridays I do like to clean out our fridge because it is also trash day. So let's grab the trash day sticker, and I'm just gonna kind of alternate things here. And obviously don't have a clean out fridge sticker, but I will just write it right here. And I realize that on this Friday, it is actually also our recycling day. So I'm gonna kind of put both with that because also that's really cute. And then also on Friday, I'm gonna use this little, like it's a bed icon, and I'm gonna use that for washing our sheets. Love to do that on Fridays. I don't think that there's anything better than getting in bed after you've put sheets on like straight from the dryer and they're still like slightly warm. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'm sure you know what I mean. But it is just like the best feeling that first day. Like it's the best. And then I'm going to use a little TV for movie night for us on Friday. Since this is a Friday that I don't have my Friday Night Live, we will probably watch a movie together as a family. Okay, now on to Saturday. So Saturday is definitely my meal planning day, and I love the little computer for that. Even though I don't really do it on the computer, I do it on my phone for the most part, but that will work. I think it's just really, really cute. And then for Saturday morning, I'm gonna use the clean house sticker. I can't remember if there's any better icons on this sheet for that. I don't really think so. I think I'm just gonna use this little post-it note. I don't really have anything better for that, but that's gonna be fine. All right, now let's get on to Sunday. Sunday is gonna be our normal grocery day. I'm gonna use this grocery shopping cart right here. Are you guys still ordering groceries? I am having like such a hard time with ordering groceries. We just never have a really good experience. So I want to get back into it, but at the same time, I'm so picky about like produce and stuff like that that I'm just like, I don't really know if I'm going to have just the patience to deal with, you know, spending that much money on groceries just to get the stuff that's not really all that great. It's not the best. Anyway, I'm going to use this little computer icon because I will need to edit videos on Sunday afternoon. Let's just kind of put it right about there. And then I want to use the planner time sticker with, let's go with this darker blue box and this stack of books. That will have to work. But on Sunday, I typically like to sit down and just kind of review my planner, go over my goals for the week, all of that fun stuff. So definitely need to make time for that. I haven't touched my goals and like my Moxie Life. I use the companion notebooks. I haven't touched those in a couple of weeks. Like I get started and then again, it was just busy. And I really just didn't go back to the system, and I really, really want to. Okay, so I cut the planner time sticker in half just so that it would fit a little bit better. And then I think I'm going to do a little bit of a self-care session Sunday afternoon, which is just like face masks, teeth whitening, all of that fun stuff, and possibly the world's best bubble bath. I love doing that on Sundays, so it's a great way to sort of hit that reset button for the week. All right. So that is how this week is looking. I love this. This kind of reminds me of my spreads from like last year or even the year before with like the little fork and knife stickers for the meal planning. It's perfect. All right, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.